comments are a really good way to give some feedback on a document or to when you're co-constructing together. And to do that, what you do is let's highlight this bit of text here, and I'm going to use the comment function here. I'm going to click on comment, and I want to ask the person I'm co-constructing with. I'm going to so I can just type in here, do you think this is so this is just a general comment, but if I add another comment in here, and I'm going to click on comment, I can type in here at, and I can type in who I want to specifically have a look at this. I can assign it to them like this, and I can assign the task to them. Making a comment, and that's right, click comment. And so now that person is now able to make a comment on my document.